Hello Philippines, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have with me the new Lenovo A7000. It is a dual SIM smartphone from Lenovo. It comes packed with Android 5.0. It has a 5.58-inch display, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabyte internal storage. It is expandable to 32 gigabytes via micro SD. It has an 8 megapixel autofocus with LED flash, 5 megapixel front facing camera. It allows you to insert 2 SIM cards. It is dual SIM capable, and it is also LTE capable. It uses mini SIM cards. The battery is 2900 milliamperes. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing for you folks out there who want to see what's inside the new Lenovo A7000. Okay, so when you first open the box, you're gonna see the unit. The unit I have here is the black one. And then the Lenovo comes with this nice screen protector. Then it comes with this box with a few manuals in it. So we have here the quick start guide, the warranty information, and I think I saw something else in here. Okay, not sure what this is. I think this is an IMEI information card. And then we have here the base of the charger. Now, for you folks who are living in the Philippines or in other countries that doesn't use this, what they call is a circular outlet, you may need to get an adapter for your unit. I'm not sure if the unit that's being sold in the Philippines is going to come with a flat one, but you know, it's not that the adapters aren't that expensive, so it's not big of the deal. You have the USB cord, which should be data and charging capable. And finally, you have the headset. The headset is white, as you can see, just like all the other accessories. It doesn't come with a cushion, and it's pure plastic. There's a power button, and what seems okay, it doesn't seem to come with a volume rocker in the headset. It just has a power button. Okay, so let me turn on the unit for you. So you can see what it looks like. So by default, the A7000 comes packed. It comes in with a number of applications pre-installed. As Facebook, WeChat, Skype, Twitter, among other stuff. As you can see, this unit is already running Android 5.0. Let's take a look at the information. So where is that? Device information. There you go. So it runs Android 5.0. Processor is an octa-core MediaTek 1.5 gigahertz 6752M. And the RAM is 2 gigabytes, while the ROM is only 8 gigabytes. So there you have it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.